Hey folks, it's Jim Brassé from ExcelSense Technologies. We're excited to share that we will be exhibiting at CIM2025 in Montreal. It takes place May 4th to 7th and is Canada's largest mining show. Truly a hub for innovation, technology, and discussions around the future of mining. We will be showcasing our ToughEye 1700, the world's most advanced self-cleaning industrial camera. It can self-clean against a wide range of contaminants, including abrasive dust, mud, grease, even crystallizing contaminants like salt, phosphates, and potash. We've even had applications where it's been used for sprayed concrete and molten asphalt. And it is maintenance-free for the entire life of the camera. There's nothing out there like it. We will also be showcasing our SensorShield 1600 platform, which allows you to take a sensor of your choice, maybe it's a camera, a thermal imager, or a laser sensor, and enclose that behind our SensorShield platform to convert it into a fully maintenance-free self-cleaning optical system. Our patented technology is already being used extensively around the globe in the mining sector and other industrial spaces for critical infrastructure to enable autonomous equipment, teleoperated equipment, or for remote monitoring and inspections. It really is unlocking new levels of safety and efficiency. You really do have to see it for yourself, so if you'll be in Montreal in May, please come see us. We'll be at booth 709 at CIM, or connect with us on LinkedIn, and we'll be happy to set something up virtually. See you in Montreal.